question number 5. In this question, a tree height we are going to find out. So tree height is represented by length AB, but due to storm, a part of a tree is broken and that broken part is rested to the ground, making the angle 60 degree with the ground. So from the figure, length AB is the total height of tree. At point C, the tree part is broken due to storm and it is rested to the ground, touching the ground at point D. Therefore, AC and CD both are equal because the same part is touching to the ground. Therefore, a part 20 meter is broken and that is rested. Therefore, this AC and CD is 20 meter. After touching, resting to the ground, angle 60 degree is made by the broken part with the horizontal, that is the ground. So angle 60 degree is the angle of elevation made by the broken part to the ground. Therefore here from the figure, AB is the height of a tree, AC is broken part, that is 20 meter. Length CD is a part rested to the ground. Therefore AC and CD both are equal, they are 20 meter. Angle D is equal to 60 degree, which is given, that is angle of elevation. So now since we are going to find BC and CD is given 20, CD is the opposite side of 90 degree, that is hypotenuse. So we are having hypotenuse side. So we can use sine, cos, sec or cosec. Any ratio we can use. So here we are using sine ratio. So sine 60 is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2 from the table. BC we are going to find. CD is equal to 20. By cross multiplication, BC is equal to 20 root 3 upon 2. So it is equal to 10 root 3 meter. So this part BC is coming 10 root 3 meter. Now total height of the tree we are finding. Therefore total height of the tree equal to AB, which is AC plus BC, 20 plus 10 root 3 meter. Student, please check this answer from the digest because answer given back side is different. So please you check this answer from the digest. Question number 6. In this question, a kite is flying at the height of 60 meter above the ground, which is tied with the string. A string which is making 60 degree angle to the horizontal, that is from the ground. So person is standing at the position of 6 and flying the kite. So when the kite is flying in the sky, the height between ground to the kite is given in the question 60 meter. So from figure, length AB is height of the kite from the ground, that is AB is given 60 meter. AC is the length of the string, which is not given, which we are finding. Length AC is equal to question mark. Due to this string, the angle 60 degree is made by the horizontal, that is the ground level 60 degree angle is made. So angle C is equal to 60 degree angle of elevation. Now our AB height is given and length of the string, which is opposite side of 90 degree, that is the hypotenuse side we are finding. Therefore we are using sine, cos, sec or cosec. Out of this any one ratio we are using. So here we are using sine ratio. Sine 60 is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Sine 60 value from the table is root 3 upon 2 is equal to 60 upon AC. By cross multiplication, root 3 multiplied by AC is equal to 60 multiplied by 2. Therefore root 3 we are shifting to that side. AC is equal to product is 120 upon root 3. Now in denominator irrational number root 3 is there. So we don't want irrational number in the denominator. So rationalization we are making. Rationalization denominator root 3 upon root 3. So product is 120 root 3 upon 3. This 120 is divided by 3. So AC is coming 40 root 3. Root 3 value is given in the question 1.73. We are putting root 3 value and finding the answer, that is 69.2 meter. Therefore, length of the string is 69.2 meter. Student, all of you are writing question first, then you are writing answer. Don't write answer directly. Question I had not written. So you are writing question from the textbook and then answer you are writing in your classwork notebook, and please complete this exercise 6.2 in your notebook, and please do revision of all exercise for your examination.